Welcome back to Body Politic PT exercises. You want a buff rotator cuff? Today we're doing shoulder ignition. Let's begin. Start by folding your towel into a small rectangle that can fit comfortably under your armpit. We will be performing this exercise in standing. Doing it in front of the mirror when you first start can help as well. Step 1. Place the folded towel snugly under the active arm. Step 2. Support the hand of the active arm with your opposite hand so that your active arm is fully relaxed. Step 3. Squeeze the towel gently into your ribcage. This should be done so lightly that if you had an egg under your arm instead of a towel, the egg would not break. You should feel the muscles deep in your armpit activate. These are the rotator cuff muscles. Another key component to this step is to make sure your other muscles are off, including your pec, upper trap, and deltoid. Step 4. Breathe and adjust. Don't forget to breathe while you are doing this exercise and do not lean back into your heels. Instead, shift your weight forward onto your toes. One tip that may help you perform this exercise more easily is giving your shoulder blades a little squeeze to bias your shoulders backwards. This will help activate your rotator cuff muscles and deactivate your pec. This exercise is categorized as fundamental, meaning it is a neuromuscular exercise designed to build a brain-to-muscle connection. This is a foundational exercise on which other movements will be built. Learning to activate the rotator cuff muscles is essential for proper health and movement of the shoulder because these are the muscles that hold the ball in the socket. Having control over your rotator cuff muscles creates stability in the joint, which allows you to be more flexible, have less pain, and prevent injury while playing sports. Thanks for stopping by for a Body Politic PT exercise tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to consult your personal PT if you have any questions, and we'll see you next time.